In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video to Dropbox. Whether you're sharing personal memories with family, distributing files to a work team, or just making sure your videos are securely backed up, Dropbox is a fantastic tool for storing and sharing your media. Let's dive into the process, step by step, ensuring you have a clear and easy to follow guide to get your video from your device to the cloud without hassle. First things first, we need to navigate to Dropbox. So open up your preferred web browser and type in www.dropbox.com into the address bar. This will take you directly to Dropbox's homepage, which is the gateway to all the features Dropbox offers, including file storage, sharing, and collaboration tools. Once you're on the Dropbox homepage, you'll notice a login option. This is your next click. It's important to have your login credentials ready. If you're not already a Dropbox user, you'll need to sign up and possibly download the Dropbox application, but that's a topic for another day. Today we're focusing on users who already have an account. Clicking on login will prompt you for your email address. Here you'll enter the email associated with your Dropbox account. It's crucial that you enter the correct email to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your email, the site will take you to the next step, which is clicking Continue. This is a simple yet essential step in verifying your identity and paving the way for secure access to your account. After clicking Continue, it's time for the key, your password. Enter the password associated with your Dropbox account. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so if you're having trouble logging in, double check that your caps lock isn't turned on by mistake. Following the password entry, click Login to access your Dropbox dashboard. Now that you're successfully logged in, let's move forward. Navigate to the Files section of your Dropbox. This is where all your stored files and folders are displayed. It's essentially the heart of Dropbox, allowing you to organize, share, and manage your content efficiently. Within the Files section, you'll find the option to upload files. This is where the magic happens. Whether you're looking to upload a single video file or multiple files at once, Dropbox offers a streamlined, user-friendly interface for your uploading needs. Click on Upload, or simply drag and drop your video file into the browser window. Dropbox supports both methods, accommodating your preference for how you want to upload your content. After clicking on Upload, you'll be prompted to select Files from the options. This indicates to Dropbox that you're uploading files as opposed to an entire folder. Navigate through your device's storage to find the video file you wish to upload. This could be a memorable family video, an important work presentation, or any other video content you need to store in the cloud. Once you've selected your video file, confirm the upload, and voila, your video begins its journey to the cloud. Depending on the size of the video and your internet connection, the upload time can vary. Larger files and slower connections will naturally result in longer upload times, so patience is key here. Dropbox provides a progress indicator showing you how much of the file has been uploaded and how much time is expected before the upload is complete. And there you have it. Once your video is successfully uploaded, it will be safely stored in your Dropbox, ready to be accessed, shared, or downloaded to any of your devices, anytime, anywhere. Remember, Dropbox not only serves as a secure backup for your precious videos, but also offers a platform for easy sharing. Whether you want to share a link to the video with friends and family, or collaborate on a project with colleagues, Dropbox makes it simple and secure. Don't forget, managing your files in Dropbox is straightforward. You can create folders to categorize your videos, rename files for easier identification, and even delete uploads if you ever need to free up space or remove content you no longer want stored. In conclusion, whether you're a first-time user or a seasoned Dropbox aficionado, uploading videos is a breeze with these easy-to-follow steps. Remember to keep your login information secure, manage your files with intention, and make the most out of Dropbox's versatile platform for all your video storage and sharing needs. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on how to upload a video to Dropbox. Here's to making file storage and sharing simpler and more efficient for everyone.